Oh no, it's raining cats and dogs out there. Wait, cats and dogs from the sky. That's not what it means. Hi friends, I'm your favorite English teacher, and today we're diving into the wild world of idioms and slang. Those tricky phrases that sound weird, but mean something totally different. Let's decode them together. What's an idiom? What's slang? Idioms are phrases that don't mean what they literally say. It's raining cats and dogs. Meaning, it's raining very heavily. Not, animals falling from the sky. Break a leg. Meaning, good luck, especially before a performance. Not, go to the hospital. Slang is informal language, usually used in casual speech. That party was lit. Meaning, it was amazing, fun, awesome. Not, it was on fire. I'm gonna chill at home. Meaning, I'm going to relax. Let's practice. Idioms in action. Imagine this. Jack, I'm so nervous about my test. Jill, don't worry, you'll ace it. Ace it equals do really well. Later. Jack, the test was so easy, it was a piece of cake. Piece of cake, very easy. Sorry, no dessert included. Now slang. Jill, how was the concert? Jack, it was sick. It was sick. Sick equals awesome in slang. Not, I need a doctor. Quick idiom game, what do these mean? Spill the beans equals tell a secret. Not make a mess. Hit the books equals start studying. Not punch your textbook. Let the cat out of the bag equals accidentally reveal a surprise. Great job, idiom master. Remember, idioms and slang can be confusing, but with practice, you'll sound more natural and cooler too. Now tell me in the comments, what English idiom or slang word do you find confusing? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who thinks break a leg is an insult. See you next time on My Favorite English Teacher.